This is our trusted and time-tested 2-axle flatbed trailer, a proven workhorse in the Gulf transport sector since the early 2000s. Built to handle serious loads, it features 16-ton heavy-duty axles and 315-sized tyres, giving it a solid 40-ton load capacity. Along the sides, you'll find a 1.2-metre mesh-style grille, providing security and flexibility for a wide range of cargo applications. This trailer also comes equipped with container locks for both 20-foot and 40-foot containers, allowing seamless transition between general cargo and container hauling. At 40 feet long, it's the ideal solution for transporters looking for versatility, durability, and value. The chassis is protected with a full epoxy primer and polyurethane topcoat, ensuring long-lasting rust resistance and clean finishing. Trusted by transporters across the UAE for decades, this flatbed is built for the road, ready for the load. For inquiries, get in touch with Ocean City Trailer Manufacturing today.
www.oct.ae